In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Truth Social on Twitter Tracker on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need, of course, is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. It's really worth it because Axiom Pro is one of the best platforms for meme coin trading. You have some premium features completely for free, such as wallet trackers, Twitter trackers, multi-wallet portfolios, a great reward system, turbo mode for quicker transactions. You can buy Solana directly on here, as well as the lowest fees. So make sure you check that out right now. Link in the description, as I said. Now, basically, to enable the Truth Social on Twitter Tracker, what you have to do is go to Trackers over here, and then first, of course, you have to customize your feed. Once you have customized your feed, and then you're getting your Twitter alerts over here, you can then turn on the Truth Social by just clicking on the right over here, where it says add Truth Social in feed. Click on that, and as you can see, it's now been added. You can then just disable it if you want to by simply clicking here again, and you have removed it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.